Welcome. We know how to simplify given expression. So rules for simplifying an expression. If more than one operation is to be carried out, then multiplication and division are carried out first in the order in which they occur from left to right. After that, addition and subtraction are carried out in the order in which they occur from left to right. If there are more than one operations in the brackets, follow the above two rules while carrying out the operations. For example, if you see here board mass, how? B means brackets. Brackets, there are three types of brackets. Curly bracket, if you see the shape, it is curly. So it is called curly brackets. Then square brackets, you can see that it will look like a square. And then it is round brackets. When we are solving the bracket, we have to solve this round bracket first, then square bracket, and finally go for the curly bracket. Operations. So board mass, O stands for operations. For example, in operation, if it is given 1 by 4 of 8, of means multiplication. So we can write 1 by 4 into 8 and you know how to solve. So solve that. Then D means division. Then M means multiplication. Then A means addition and S means subtraction. For example, I will show this how to solve. Here it is given 80 divided by bracket, that is round bracket, 15 plus 8 minus 3, and the whole after bracket closed it is given plus 5. So first step is to solve the bracket. In bracket plus and minus is given. So first we will solve here plus. So we will write is equal to 80 divided by bracket 15 plus 8. The answer is what? 23. Then minus and plus 5. Now here 23 minus 5 bracket we will solve. So we will write 80 divided by 23 minus 3. Answer is 20. Since bracket is solved, so we will not put bracket here. Then plus 5. Now 80. Now division and plus is given. So we will solve the division first. So we will write 80 divided by 20. What you will get? 4 and plus 5. You know 24 is 80. So answer is 9. So now we will solve practice set 25. So here it is given simplify the following expressions. So first one it is given 50 multiply with 5 divided by 2 plus 24. So here first we will solve this one. So we will write that is equal to 50 multiply with 5 divided by 2. We can write like this plus 24. Why? It is easy now. See, 2 ones are 2, 25s are. Okay, so what is remaining now? 25 into 5 plus 24. Okay, so 25 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 carried over, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So we got 125 plus 24. So 125 plus 24, we will get the answer 149. So now we will solve the next one. Here, after this we have done multiplication and then we have done the addition. Now next, if you see, it is given 13 multiplied with 4 divided by 2 minus 26. If you see here, bracket is there. So we will solve the bracket first. So we will write that is equal to, so 13 fours are, we know 52 divided by 2 minus 26. Now division and subtraction. So we will do the division first. So we will write 52 divided by 2, you know 26 2s are 52 minus 26. So your value is 0. Now next it is given third one, 140 divided by square bracket negative 11 multiplied with negative 3 minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. If you see here in the square bracket, there is multiplication, subtraction, division, again subtraction. So in this first we will do here division. So first step what we will do? Negative 42 divided by 14. So this we will do first. So we will write 140 divided by square bracket, as it is we will write negative 11 into negative 3. Okay, minus, so negative 42 divided by 14. So you know 14 3s are 42 and negative sign is there, so it will become negative 3 and here it will be minus 1. Okay, and bracket, or no need of putting bracket. Okay, minus, because slowly way. Now here if you see again in this bracket it is given integers multiplication, then minus. So here we will write, do the multiplication. So we will write 140 divided by 11 3s are 33 and negative positive. And if you see next what it is, minus, so minus, the sign will be minus, the sign will be plus. So we will write plus bracket and then next digit is 1 and put the square bracket. Okay. Now you can write 140 divided by, I forgot to write here 3. 33 minus I shown plus and forgot to write 3. So here it is 3. Okay. We can put now simply circle because it is together. No need of putting this square now. Okay. So here divided by, now we will do what? Plus first. So 33 plus 3. So we will get 36 minus 1. Okay. Now again this bracket is there. So this we will solve first. So we will write 140 divided by 36 minus 1, it is 35. So 140 divided by 35, you can do here rough work. Okay. So 35. So 35 4s are, you will get 140. Okay. So we will get the answer 4. So next fourth one we will solve. It is given, see, curly bracket. In curly bracket there is a round bracket and then there is a square bracket itself and again it is round bracket. So we have to solve the round bracket first. When brackets are given, innermost bracket should be solved first. So we will solve that. So here first we will solve this innermost bracket, that is negative 2 by 5. So we will write that is equal to curly bracket 220 minus 140, as it is you write down, plus bracket. This also we can similarly, this also we can write because it is in the square bracket. So 10 nines are, both are multiplication, so we can do it. So 10 nines are 90. Okay, and plus it is given, we will write like this, and 2 5s are negative 10. Okay. and bracket closed minus 100. Now if you see, next step we can write this as it is. 220 minus 140 plus 90 plus minus, the sign will be this, we will solve here. So plus minus, the sign will be minus. So 90 minus 10. Okay, we can now curly bracket will become and minus 100. Now see here, in this, which we will solve first? We can solve here addition. We will, because these are in the brackets, so we will solve these brackets first, this and this, because they are in the brackets. So bracket should be solved first. So 220 minus 140, we will get 80, and sign is plus. 90 minus 10, answer is 80, and this is now square will become round bracket minus, because we have solved. Now 80 plus 80, 160 minus 100. So 160 minus 100, answer is 60. So next we will go for the fifth one. Fifth one, it is given 3 by 5 plus 3 by 8 divided by 6 by 4. If you see here addition and division, so first we will do the division part. So we will write 3 by 5 plus, division will change into multiplication sign and it will become reciprocal. Okay. Now we will solve this, that is multiplication first. So it will become 3 by 5 plus 3 into 4 and 8 into 6. So it will 3 by 5 plus 3 4s are 4 3s are 12 and 8 6s are 48. If you see 12 and 48, both are divisible by 12. 12 ones are and 12 fours are. So your answer, it will become 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4. Now here addition is there, but denominators are not same. So you know how to do the addition. So we will do 3 into 4 plus 5 into 1 by 5 into 4. So 3 4s are 12, 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. So 12 plus 5, it is 17 by 20. Here we have completed practice set 25. Thank you.